ではなんか宮崎っていうかな。
めっちゃ斜めになってる。
Alright, so we just put a large log right here. Hopefully this stops the mud from falling down into the road. I'm probably gonna have to do something on this side to keep the water from causing the mud to flow down. I think I'll have to work on that. Right now, let's see what I do. Maybe I'll put like a bunch of old logs at the bottom. Who knows? Just gonna have to fix this a little bit. So after we're done with that, we can plant our trees in this plot of land here. It should be nice.
You do know he's trying to bring that there. You're in the way, Ellie. He's gonna try to put it over there. Oh my god, Ellie.
Well, that's our final task, I guess. Kind of done with the closure. We're gonna have to enhance this when we have more time, but this should be good enough for now. Hopefully, deer come eat the new leaves. But yeah, that should be it for today. Catch you guys later. Peace.
Trees are in green, the ocean is gray, sky is a vague blue, come my way. My room is a mess, it could use a hand. My favorite TV shows to capture in. I know must get it right, must get back in the fight. This can't be a surprise, I think I'll let it slide. I'm sleepwalking through all of my problems, I know I can't make it through. Every night it's the same, I keep running fast, left and right, wondering where my head's gone now. I'm sleepwalking.
Alright, we're at an Airbnb, and this is the view from the Airbnb. I think that's called Yufuin Peaks or Yufuin Mountain. It's a beautiful sight. Sun's setting, so yeah. It's getting dark. I'm tired. Alright, so this is our room for tonight. It's called Kuju. Sorry, I already put my luggage inside, so yeah. Let's see. This is like a tatami. It's like a traditional Japanese style. So yeah, you gotta take your slip bars off here, and then yeah, they have 3 futons for us. I guess you can put more in if you request, but that's it for us. We only need 3. Staying with my family here, so yeah. So you got your chairs with the view of Yufutake. That's nice. It's a beautiful looking mountain. Has like a Mount Fuji vibe. So yeah, it's like already 6 p.m. I think, so it's starting to get dark. But yeah, you have your fridge to the right here. You got your sink. You've got a couple chairs to relax on. Your normal TV. So you got your closet here where you can, I guess, hang your clothes. I'm not sure, maybe, yeah. Lots of hangers, nice. It's not like a fancy hotel, but yeah, does its job. This is where they put the futons, I guess. Yeah, this is where they store them, so that's pretty much it. I'm gonna rest now because I am tired. Alright, so I'm headed towards the bath house, or I guess you could call it like a private onsen. So yeah, this, I guess, Airbnb, it's a beautiful Airbnb, has a bathhouse, a communal bathhouse. But yeah, it's like one of those private onsens. So I'm just gonna make my way down. Hopefully use it, hopefully no one's using it. Yeah, looks like it, yeah. Let's see what's up ahead, so that's not here. So when you're using this hot spring, just put this sign up to say that you're in it. You close the door. And I guess you can lock in. So yeah, there it is. So you got your air dryer here, you got your sink, I don't care what that is. So they have your bath towels here you can take. So if you have more than one person, I guess you can all share this onsen. So there's some manners. Before you enter the onsen, wash your body. Do not put towels in the bathtub and wipe your body before getting back to the locker. So yeah. And yeah, it says the white sediment in the bathtub is a yunohara, where the ingredients of hot spring solidify. So it's like, what is it, calcified or something like that. But yeah, this is what it looks like on the inside. What a beautiful, beautiful bathhouse. See me in the shadow, but yeah. I just love this private onsen. It is beautiful. So if it's too hot, there's like a water lever you can twist there to get the water out. But yeah, I'm just gonna enjoy the shower. Catch you guys later. Peace.